Okay. Okay, let's see what we get in the box. Some directions. And then, yeah, I don't even watch these fucking unboxing videos, it's a waste of fucking time. You get a key to pull them out. And a baggie with some wheels in them. I hope these are ABEC lines. 5s. You get some fluff. It goes in the shoe. It goes in there. You can't see in there because it's too dark. Okay, I cut the fucking thing off because the plastic thing was super thick. Get a key with it. This is definitely going to be part of my everyday carry. So I can get that logo in there. Some wheels. Plastic thing that looks like it's going to be a bitch to open. One moment. This plastic is just pure cancer. I feel like I'm going to cut my hands on it. I have freed the wheels from their plasticky prison and will now attempt to insert them into the shoe, which goes in this little plug thing here. So you can walk around and not click around like a stripper. Yeah, I did the laces up nicely. I just went with the straight old, you know, well actually no, they're not that nice, but yeah, sure, it'll work. So these standard laces are like just nowhere near long enough. I mean, you can't really see there, but look how tiny that bow is. That's as good as it gets. Your shoes might be a bit too small for me, but these were the biggest size they have, and I don't even have big feet. I do not think I'm happy with the stock laces. It feels like they're way too short and shitty. So if you're getting a pair of these, be sure to stock up on aftermarket laces. Otherwise they fit quite nice. These are 10s and they seem to fit me fine, even though I've got moderately big feet like a hobbit. And the action's smooth. I don't feel uncomfortable walking in them. They don't feel like high heels. I just found out the Heely tool, this little backing bit, is a perfect fit for the bottom of my camera mount, so it actually works as a screwdriver. This is definitely going to be part of my everyday carry.